Welcome to the world of tiny workers. In this video, we are going behind the scenes to show you how to create these engaging tiny worker videos. These videos go viral because they are visually unique and look perfectly on Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. They can easily attract millions of views, and guess what? I've noticed that not many people are doing this niche, whether on TikTok or YouTube Shorts. Also, these videos can be used for businesses that are looking for unique marketing content. They require zero video shooting, and you can create them 100% free using AI tools. But here is the deal: miss one step and you might not get the same result. If you are interested in, now is the perfect time to jump in. To generate prompt for these videos, unlike many creators, I believe it's not a complex task. Just keep it simple and short. So I sincerely and honestly ask ChatGPT. I simply ask for a prompt for making a pizza. As you see, I just simply ask ChatGPT on tiny workers making a pizza. Give me a prompt for that. So you can just customize this part, like a video on tiny workers making a cup of coffee, knitting a hat, gardening, or whatever you wish. So I will click on the generate button. ChatGPT perfectly generated prompt for me. In the next step, I will ask it. This time I ask to summarize it into 4 scenes. Also, I ask it to add details to each scene so I can keep the style consistent in photos generated by AI. Beautiful, you can see that it just perfectly summarized it into 4 scenes. My prompt is ready. Let's move on to the next step to generate our photos. For generating photos using AI, I will use Leonardo.ai, which gives you daily 150 credits to use. Here, go to image creation. Now I need the prompt we generated using ChatGPT. Here for the first scene, I will copy and paste it in this box. Everything is complete. I just wanna add a color to this part. All good, click on the generate button. Let's check the result. You can see how amazing is the result. It generated 4 options for me. I like this one the most, so I just click on the download button. Let's go back to ChatGPT and copy paste the prompt for the second scene. I'll take a quick look at it. I think the only thing this scene is missing is the outfit description, so I will go back and copy it from the prompt for the first scene. Click on generate. Let's go through them one by one. I will download this one. The first tool I'm gonna introduce to turn your images to videos is PixVerse AI. Simply Google it and click on it. As you see, as a free user, every day I get 60 free credits to use, which for each generation to turn image to a video, it takes 30 credits. It means that you can have 2 free generations per day. Here in this box, I should simply import my image. As a description, I can again copy paste the prompt from ChatGPT. But normally for this prompt, I will go and remove the redundant parts to focus on the actions I have in the image. Normally for this prompt, I'll go and remove all the redundant parts to focus on the actions I have in the image. For instance, for this prompt, I will remove the background descriptions, again, all these. So I will keep the description very short and sweet. I can keep this one. Let's create it and see the result. Before downloading, I will click on the sound button. copy paste the same prompt and click on the create button. For each sound generation, it only takes 10 credits. Okay, it's perfect. I will just go ahead and download it. But remember that as a free user, you can only download it with the watermark, which of course there are numerous ways to remove that. Let's continue and do the same for the second scene. For this one, I almost kept the whole prompt because a lot of actions are happening in the image, so maybe it can help generate a precise video. See how amazing it is. Again, I will click on the sound button, paste the same prompt, and click on create. Perfect. At the end, just download. The second AI tool to generate videos from your photos is Hailuo.ai, and it is always my personal choice. If it's your first time using Hailuo AI, you need to sign up first. I will continue with Google, and boom! When you sign up with an email address, Hailuo gives you 1100 complimentary credits that you will be using it in 4 days. Also, in this period, you will have the privilege of quick create, so you don't have to wait in queue. On this menu, I will click on create video, upload my image in this box. Again, the same process, which is copy and paste the prompt from ChatGPT. Modify it. And at the end, click on this button. If you paid attention, it only takes you 30 credits per generation. And I believe compared to 1100 free credits you will be given each time you sign up with a new email address, it is a very good deal. These are the final results of turning photos into videos using the AI tools PixVerse and Hailuo. To compare them very shortly, in my point of view, PixVerse is very quick in generation and easier to work with. I also find it very smart most of the time, even though your prompt is very basic. Videos generated by Hailuo have higher quality. Both AI tools have watermark in free version, and of course each has a different style which you can choose based on what you like. At the end, the subscription fees are as below.